Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps that you'll need to take to initiate a trial of Kugamon. So let's jump right in and explore these steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to the AppExchange, and from the home page, locate the search bar and just start to type in Kugamon and hit enter. Then you're going to want to locate and click into the result that says RevOps for Salesforce. The next step is to click into the Try It Free button, which is near the top left side of the screen. Next, you're going to see a similar window like this appear on your screen with two options. Now, since you want to test drive Kugamon, you're going to need to click into the option on the right. That is going to come with sample data that you can use to actually explore the platform thoroughly. So in the next section, you will need to enter in your email. Then below, you might already notice that your information is filled in. If not, just take a moment to fill this in, and your information might be entered because you might actually be logged into, let's say, Salesforce Trailhead. But just confirm that that is all accurate. And then you can opt to learn more about our product and services by enabling the checkbox near the bottom of this page. And then when you're ready, just locate and click into the Start Trial button on the top right side of the screen. And now you can check your email for the next steps. You'll want to look for an email that's titled Welcome to Salesforce. And when you open that, click on Verify Account. And then from here, just quickly create a password. And now you are officially logged into Kugamon. So from here, you can take an official test drive of Kugamon. So we do recommend that you start with the opportunities object. So go ahead and click into that. Then within recently viewed, just click into that pick list and then choose all opportunities. And now here, you can select any type of example opportunity. In my example, I'm going to go with row 4, initial sale for Accenture. Now, let's say that I am actually on the phone with Accenture and they have shared that they'd like to purchase from me. So I hang up and I'm ready to click on the Generate Quote button to then add those items onto a quote record. So here's our quote record. It is the first quote that's tied to that opportunity. Thus, it is the primary quote. And from here, if you're following along, all you need to do is click into Edit Lines. This will open up the configurator, which will allow you to add all of those items. From this view, click into New Group. This creates a line group for you, which can be edited, a description can be printed, but for now, click into Add Lines on the right, and this will bring you to the product catalog. Now here is where you can actually customize your own end user experience. But we have a plethora of videos that go through exactly this on our Kugamon YouTube channel. For now, within the image view, you can simply click to add all of those items that you want to include on the quote. So in my example, I'm just going to click to add those. I'm going to add this kit bundle, this configurable product, this installation, this professional services, and this subscription package. Now that I've clicked to add them, and hopefully you have as well, we're going to next just click on that next button near the top right side of the screen. And if you also added a kit bundle or configurable product, you're going to see a similar window like this appear, where now we get to configure this kit bundle. So it includes all these required members, but it does also ask us to select an appropriate installation tier. So I've just opted on medium. I'm going to confirm and then click on that next arrow here. And now I get to configure this Genwatt diesel 200 kilowatt product. So if you also explored a configurable product, you're going to see something similar like this as well. And within each category, you can just click on the appropriate option that matches your hypothetical customer's needs. So let's say all of this here looks good. Gonna check for medium, support standard. And here we'll go for gold and confirm. Then click on that right arrow. And here's the last item, subscription package. And let's say here, we're gonna go for app subscription gold, and within support, I'm gonna click into this nested configuration and opt for this support enterprise, confirm required, back, and let's just check everything looks good. Gonna click confirm. And when you're also ready, you can click on next. Now you'll be dropped off at the edit lines view. And from here, you can see a summary of all of the items that you've just added to your own quote record, as well as have a chance to modify the dates, the term, the discounts for each individual line or for the quote in total. There's actually a lot that you can do. And again, we have videos on our YouTube channel that go through exactly this. Let's just say for my example to be moved in the past. And now I'm going to click Save All and Close. Just keep everything else simple. And here is our quote record. Let's say now I've shared it with Accenture. They love it. They want to move forward. So I can actually use our Kugamon checklist here and just click on Generate Order. And now we've created our order. From your order record, you can click on the Create PDF button near the top right to see an actual preview of your order PDF. So it should look very similar to this, where you'll see all of those line items that you've added, the specific terms, additional terms, and then the option for the customer to sign. Skip ahead and say, this was shared with Accenture. They love it. They've e-signed it. They're ready to move forward to the next steps. So from here, I can go back to our checklist here, which also lives within orders, and then click on Release Order. Releasing an order in Kugamon creates some downstream actionable items, including generating our invoice, contract, and if applicable, any shipment and asset records. So here we can see that our invoice has been created and there was a shipment tied to this order. But as well here within contract, if I open that, and then from the contract, if I was now a account manager, I can click on Manage Contract, and this will open up a summary of all that has transpired within this contract tied to Accenture. In other words, I can view all of the subscriptions and assets purchased by Accenture in multiple different forms, all easily in one screen. I do not need to waste any time combing through anything in Salesforce. All that I need and all that I care about is easily accessed in this one managed contracts view, including any requests from Accenture to buy more. So if they actually wanted to buy more of something, I could easily, as you just saw here, let's say I jump now right into generating an order. And here, click into edit lines. Again, this will open up that configurator. Then I can add a line group, go ahead and add those items, configure them accordingly, confirm everything looks good, hit next, and then save all and close. Let's say that this was approved. And now if I go back into this manage contracts view, I can refresh this screen And now we can see a completely different picture painted in managed contracts. So here we can see the progress of how there was only one app subscription gold purchased, and then things changed in the fall. More of this app subscription platinum package was purchased. So this is really helpful for account managers and they love it. Now let's go back now to viewing the renewal opportunity. So everything that we've just co-created in this example sale with Accenture all automatically populates and updates this future renewal opportunity. So it is really neat and fun to play with this because it makes life so much easier on all aspects for your sales team and account managers, even folks in RevOps, sales operations, even your admins. So have fun as you test drive Kugamon. If you have any questions, feel free to send them over to us at support@kugamon.com. Be sure to check out our Kugamon YouTube channel for additional video tutorials, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.